Hey everyone, so here's Atom's app. This is the app based on insights from the worldwide #1 best-selling book Atomic Habits by James Clear. So finally there is an app. It's a viral book, #1 bestseller, but now it has also an app available also on iOS, iPhone App Store. It's not yet on Google Play Store, but on iPhone it's already in top charts. And yeah, this is just a cool app for building good habits and breaking bad ones. So you can just go to your app store, and then you can see it here, Atoms from Atomic Habits, the official Atomic Habits app. And yep, so then you just have this, and then you just, yeah, that's like what you have here. Tiny changes, remarkable results. Atoms is a definitive habit app inspired by the groundbreaking principles of Atomic Habits, the best-selling book by James Clear. Atoms is not only a habit tracker, but also a personal guide filled with bite-sized lessons and insightful strategies to help you make positive changes a small step at a time. So proven principles, 5 good minutes, New York Times bestseller. So yeah, there you have that. And then yeah, you can just tap get. So let's just try to install it. And here it is. So then you can just go and open it up. So press and hold to get started. So here you have that. And then you can just proceed without an account, or you can continue with account. So just continue, yeah, just to set up your habit, and then so yeah, then you can just do it. So get specific, ground it in identity. So the ultimate form is motivation when a habit becomes a part who you are. So I will meditate for 5 minutes when I wake up, so then I can become a more mindful person. And then here you just define your habit. So as you can see, it's not just some note-taking app, it's much more advanced. So I will like go to the gym at like 5 p.m. An active person. So for example, something of course that then you can just try it out, and then you can just review it, and then you can set it up when you wanna to repeat this. And then habit time, then you can just enable this habit time where you want it here. So that's just, yeah, you just proceed from here, set reminder, and then create a habit, and then you can allow notifications, and there you have it. So then you just created your habit, and then it just says your trial of Pro has started. 28 days trial of Pro on us. Upgrade to Pro anytime or continue using the app for free with limited features. Your card is not charged until you upgrade. So then you can just tap learn more. And then here you just see like 4 more habits, mindset, content, accountability. So here you can see the things which are available. So on the free plan, you can just do 1 habit. You don't have access to mindset content access. You have access on the Pro for that. You don't have access to daily lessons. You still can have accountability partner. You still can have atomic suggestions. So basically on the Pro plan, the difference is that you can add like 3 habits, and then you can have access to additional content and daily lessons. And it's like $17 monthly. So that's the price. So it's not that cheap, it's not that expensive. That's about the price of these apps these days. But yeah, it's a bit more on an expensive side, I would guess. So yeah, here it is. Then you just have guest user. You can also invite someone. You can see your information. You can then go and create your account. You can see apps and suggestion, and then you can also delete your account and data. So yep, and then there is also like mindset. This is available for you on a free trial. Then you can see your progress, you can see total repetitions, identity reflection, then you can see your streaks. So yep, that's the idea, and that's the app. It's quite well designed, it's well built. As you can see, it looks very slim and nice, well designed. So there you have that, and that's just the idea. There is like Hall of Fame, like celebrates habits you have formed and decided to stop tracking. There is your account. There is like habit reminder, app FAQs. So yep, that's basically the idea of the app. And then basically, once there is a reminder, you can just go to the app and just check it out as that you completed this task. So that's the idea, and then you can still go to and create a new habit, start a new habit that will have remarkable results, or redirect the time manager towards a good habit instead. So then you can just replace like a bad habit like smoking and stuff like that, so you can try it out as well. And then you can also edit your habits. So that's what you have here. And that's the idea. So again, just go to the App Store and then you can just find it out. It's not, like it's not yet appearing in search for some reasons. But yep, you can. I guess it will appear shortly in the chart. So you can just go here and then just go and search. I guess productivity, and then here it's here it is. So Atoms from Atomic Habits. This is the official Atomic Habits app. It's built by Atomic Development. Again, this is the app. Because probably there are some other apps in this category which you can find out. So that's just what it is. But give it a try.